Alright, in this tutorial we're going to do a 3-layered floating ornament. Our main materials are vinyl, an acetate sheet, a weeding tool, a squeegee, and an ornament. I printed out my design in order to make alignment a lot easier. You're also going to need masking tape and cleaning supplies. We're going to be using a microfiber and alcohol to clean our ornament. I have different colors and they're going to be some on the acetate sheet and others on the actual ornament. I'm going to grab a little bit of alcohol, put it on my microfiber, and I'm going to do a quick cleanup. Let's let that dry. The window goes on the acetate sheet. The first step is to transfer our design onto the acetate sheet. So I'm going to lay my acetate sheet on my printed out sheet. Then I'm going to grab my transfer paper, transfer tape, lay it on top, cut it out. Make sure you don't cut the design by accident. Now I have my design. I'm going to start by aligning it to the top, and then I'm going to use the hinge method. Seems pretty close. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to be centered so you don't accidentally put it outside of your ornament insert. Carefully peel back the transfer tape. Remove the tape. And here's our design. Now we're going to clean our ornament. To take the little tab off, just squeeze it and pull. Pour a little bit of alcohol in there. Shake it. Now we dump it out. Let it dry for a few hours or however long it takes. Okay, so now we're going to clean the outside. Add the trees to the back. Use our transfer tape. So now we're going to try to center them. I'm going to do the hinge method again. This time I'm going to cut off half. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect because it's just the background. Alright. Because it is a non-flat surface, I'm going to start from the center and squeegee out. Now let's remove our transfer tape. So now we have our snowy trees on one side and green trees on the other side. And now we're going to do the front. We're going to do the same thing. So now we need our transfer tape. Here we go. So now I want the candle to go around there. Let's remove the backing. Now we have our candle. Put our transfer tape on. You can always use alignment markers, which we will discuss in a different video, but for this one I want it to be placed not so perfectly, so it looks a little bit more natural. There we go, and then the final piece. There you have it. Candle and your candle holder. I'm gonna grab my weeding tool and I'm gonna gently, not too tight, roll my acetate sheet. Okay, now let's put it in there gently. And then use your tool and it kind of pops into place. And here's our finished ornament. Our next step is to add the bow to it. We already have it made, and I will show you how to make different types of bows in an upcoming video. You want to grab your little loop and put it into the ornament hoop. All I have to do is pull it through. There it is. Put our ornament on the ornament stand, and there you have it, your finished floating ornament. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and don't miss part 2.